everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make super fast, easy, and delicious pico de gallo with mango. If you don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you how. For this recipe, we're going to start off by dicing some tomatoes. I'm using 3 Roma tomatoes. Next, we're going to use half of a red onion. One chile serrano. Some cilantro. One mango. The mango pieces, we want them a little bit bigger, not as small as the tomatoes and the onion. We're also adding the juice of 2 limes. And last, some salt. We mix it. Once it's well mixed, we can put it in the refrigerator so it can be nice and cool. I like to keep it in the fridge for about an hour or so before serving. Okay guys, my favorite part, cheers. The mango hits differently. So good.
Is it too spicy?
No, it's not spicy at all. I thought it was gonna be more spicier because my fingers were burning, but it's not. Delicioso. You need to try it. Okay guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.